I'm going to show you how to perform a 3-hole oil change on a twin cam 103 Harley Davidson. This is one of the most important maintenance tasks to keep your bike running smoothly and reliably. In this video, you will learn how to drain the oil in the engine, transmission, and primary, replace the oil filter, primary gasket, and O-rings, and replenish the fluids, then check the oil levels. To complete this job, you'll need oil, an oil filter, gasket kit, oil filter wrench, socket wrench, torque wrenches in inch pounds and foot pounds, extensions, 5/8 socket, a 3/8 hex socket, T27 Torx socket, and shop towels. While the Harley specific drain pan and funnels are not necessary, they do make the job a lot easier and less messy. Ride the motorcycle until the oil is at normal operating temperature. With the engine off, remove the filler plug dipstick. With the 5/8 socket, remove the oil drain plug. Allow the oil to drain completely. Clean off the threads of the oil drain plug. Inspect the oil drain plug O-ring for cuts, tears, and signs of deterioration, and replace as necessary. Remove the oil filter using the oil filter wrench and hand tools. Do not use air tools. Clean the oil filter mount flange of any old gasket material. Lubricate gasket with clean engine oil and install new oil filter on filter mount. Hand tighten oil filter 1/2 to 3/4 of a turn after gasket first contacts filter mounting surface. Install the engine oil drain plug and tighten to 14 to 21 pound-feet of torque. Initially add 3 quarts of engine oil. I'm using Mobil 1 20W50 full synthetic. Use the proper grade of oil for the lowest temperature expected before the next oil change. With the 3/8 hex, remove the transmission filler plug dipstick. Use the 5/8 socket to remove the transmission drain plug and drain the lubricant into a suitable container. Inspect O-ring on drain plug for tears or damage. Replace as required. Wipe any foreign material from the plug. Install drain plug with O-ring and tighten to 14 to 21 foot-pounds of torque. Fill the transmission with 28 ounces of the recommended lubricant. I used Mobil 1 20W50 full synthetic. To check the transmission lubricant level, clean the dipstick, then insert it into the transmission with filler dipstick resting on threads. Do not thread in. Remove the filler dipstick to check the lubricant level. If the level is below the add mark on the dipstick, add only enough lubricant to bring the level between the add and full marks. Install the filler dipstick and tighten to 25 to 75 inch-pounds. Remove the magnetic drain plug from the bottom of the primary chain case. Drain lubricant into a suitable container. Clean the drain plug. If it has accumulated a lot of debris, inspect the condition of the chain case components. Then install a new O-ring on the drain plug. Install the drain plug into the primary chain case cover and tighten the plug to 14 to 21 foot-pounds of torque. To prevent accidental vehicle startup, remove the seat and disconnect the negative battery cable. Remove the 5 Torx screws with captive washers to detach the clutch inspection cover from the primary chain case cover. You may need to remove passenger pegs and floorboards in order to get to the screws. Remove the seal and wipe the oil from the groove in the chain case cover and mounting surface. Place the motorcycle in an upright position and fill the primary chain case with 38 ounces of oil. I poured 6 ounces of Mobil 1 20W50 full synthetic oil into the chain case before adding another 32 ounces from a full bottle. Do not overfill the primary chain case with lubricant, as this can cause rough clutch engagement, incomplete disengagement, clutch drag, and or difficulty in finding neutral at engine idle. Position the new seal into the groove of the clutch inspection cover. Insert a screw with the captive washer through the clutch inspection cover and carefully thread it into the top cover screw hole. Alternately tighten screws between 84 and 108 inch-pounds, following a Torx star sequence. Start the engine and carefully check for oil leaks around the drain plugs and oil filter. For the most accurate measure, perform an oil level hot check. Ride the motorcycle until engine is at normal operating temperature. Then place the vehicle on a level ground and rest the vehicle on its jiffy stand. Allow engine to idle for 1 to 2 minutes, then turn off the engine. Remove the filler plug dipstick and wipe it off with a towel. Insert the dipstick and tighten into the fill spout. Remove the dipstick and note the level of the oil. It should be between the add and full marks. Add oil as necessary, but do not overfill. And that's how you perform a 3-hole oil change on a Harley Davidson Twin Cam 103. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or advice, leave them in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY Harley tips.